When you run a thriving fitness studio, the sub requests never stop. They waste time, cost you money, and have the potential to negatively impact your business. Sub requests often blow up into confusing threads that make it difficult for you and your staff to determine when subs are needed. When this happens, many instructors won't bother, and sub requests take more effort to get filled. Manually updating MindBody every time you have a sub takes even more time and creates additional opportunities for errors. And what about the interruption caused when life happens and an instructor needs a sub last minute? With your current process, you drop everything and scramble to find a sub. Instrukt eliminates the confusion with an easy process that gets your sub requests filled quickly and without the aggravation. When a sub is requested, the instructors you've approved to sub the class are instantly notified, and the opportunity appears in their schedule, so they know exactly when a sub is needed. And because it's so easy, your instructors can accept the sub request wherever they are, before they've forgotten about it. Sub request status is updated immediately when filled, so there's never confusion, and nothing is missed. Instrukt integrates with MindBody to ensure your schedule is always correct. Eliminate the headaches and get your sub requests filled fast. Save time, money, and reduce stress with Instrukt.